Hello and welcome back to another netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. Sincerely appreciate you joining me today. I gotta tell you, last night I had an awesome dream. I dreamed about working in Quantrix Modeler, and it was fantastic. I hope some of your dreams are filled with the goodness of Quantrix. Anyway, today in episode 17 I want to share with you kind of a trick about working with canvas objects. And sometimes you'll get a resize or you'll get a scroll bar depending on how you bring that object, or that view rather, to the canvas. I have here a very basic model. I have really warehouse data. And let's say it has some line items on it, and of course it's got a couple categories of items, plant, and warehouse. And what I want to do is I want to show you how you can bring these into the canvas. One way that you can do this is by simply clicking and dragging from the model browser to the canvas, like so. You can see it goes ahead and throws it on here. Another way that you can do that is by going up here and clicking on this view or add canvas table view, and you can say go ahead and select the table view that you want to insert. So we'll do warehouse data, and we can draw it out. Now the behavior on these is a little bit different in the fact that if I go ahead and I add items, and let me click off of layout, and I go ahead and I add items to this, watch what happens. The one where I clicked and dragged, it goes ahead and it more or less auto sizes the view to the canvas, okay? Whereas on the one that I added going up here to the add canvas table view button, it doesn't resize its area, its display area. It goes ahead and adds in a scroll bar once the display area is filled in. So again, if I were to add, say, another warehouse, I believe, to this, I would get a horizontal scroll bar, whereas this area would go ahead and resize itself. One thing to note, that if I were to continue to add to this, so say I wanted to add another metric besides inventory and sales, what would eventually happen is the one that auto resizes would go ahead and overlap the one that doesn't auto resize, if you will, the one that just continues to have its scroll bars. I have put in a request to Quantrix on the help desk that they would make it so that these ones that where you click and drag in from the model browser, that it would have some sort of sense of other objects on the canvas, and it would reposition the other objects as you increase the size of this view here. But that's an enhancement, and hopefully they'll get to that one of these days. But anyway, that's just some cool information about the different behavior of dragging and clicking or using the button with a canvas. If you have any questions about Quantrix Modeler, I hope you would reach out to me at quantrixauthority@gmail.com. I'm not charging for this service, so you can certainly ask me any question you would like. That would provide me some great content for the videos here. And of course, you can follow me on YouTube and at Twitter at Quantrix Author. Again, I absolutely love Quantrix. It's a powerful tool, and I hope that your dreams this evening will be much like my dreams were, and that they will be filled with Quantrix. Until next time, enjoy Quantrix.